Guys, now we are performing blind search and rescue building interest drill. Okay, come and find the casualty inside the building. Come.
Yes. Anyone here? Anyone here? Hello? Anyone here? Everyone here? Hello? Anyone here? Hello, everyone here? Hello? Anyone here? Hello? Hello, everyone here? Hello?
Good.
Anyone here? Hello? Hello? Fire department? No. Hello? Can you hear me? Everyone here? Can you hear me? Hello? 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 Can you hear me? Everybody here? Can you hear? Hello? 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 Anyone here? Everybody here? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Hello, everybody here? Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Everybody here? I'm here to help you. Everybody here? Fire department? Hello? 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 Can you hear me? Can you hear anyone here? Stay. Bring stretcher! Stretcher!
Call for stretcher.
Bring your stretcher! Stretcher!
Okay. Remove their bunker coat, helmet, and start compression.